Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell thrifted items and items that I find at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Nordstrom Rack for profit on websites and apps like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari Kitties, and Tradesy. And if you're not subscribed here, what are you waiting for? It doesn't cost you anything. It takes 2 seconds for you to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell too so you can be notified when I post new videos. Today I'm going to show you my ThredUp rejects. If you're not new here, maybe watch the video of me packing a ThredUp box. I sent them 53 items and they accepted 41 items. I sent them this box before they changed the payout structure, so I was still able to mark up these items to 80% off retail. So my potential earnings are $2,368.67. They accepted 41 items. 2 items sold. One of the items sold before I had time to mark it up, because when they received the box, they had the estimated processing time. It was actually to be processed November 26th. And then when November 26th hit, they kept pushing the date forward. And so they had the processing date to January 7th, and they processed it December 27th, something like that. So I'm glad I checked. I was still able to mark up everything. An item had already sold, which was fine because it was an item that was donated to me from Facebook Marketplace. So my payout on that item was 27 cents, and I'm gonna post a picture here of what the item is. And then I sold a pair of Prana capri pants that I actually got at the bins. So very low investment there, and the payout on that is $9. Let me just see here, $9.12. That item can still be returned, so I'm not counting that as a payout yet because I was not actually paid out for that. So I am going to put a picture here of my potential earnings, what I earned to date, and what they charged me. So I actually messaged them. I did the live chat on ThredUp to find out if they had lost my bag, because all the date had been pushed forward and I was actually afraid that they had lost my bag. And the woman who spoke to me said that they were processing items received, I think, 3 or 4 days before mine, and that the expedited costs would not be charged. And then when they processed my bag, the expedited cost was still there. So I had to talk to them again, and she gave me a credit of $16, which is not fine because credit can only be used on their website. It's not money. Like, let's say I sold something for $16, that money would not come as a payout. It would still pay the processing fee of $16, and I would still have a $16 credit on their website, which is fine because I ended up using that credit. I got a men's rescue box that you're going to see in a future video. I have not received it yet. So I'm just gonna show you what they rejected. What is it that they didn't accept? It wasn't too many items because out of 53 they accepted 41. So hopefully they sent me back all of the items that they did reject, because I know that ThredUp messes up some items sometimes. So this is the bag. I sent them a box and they sent the rejects here. I actually made a list of everything that I sent, if it was new with tags and whatnot. So I sent that list within the box, and I kept a copy for myself because if they mess it up, I know which items I am gonna be missing. So they should give me 12 items back. They rejected these Giorgio Armani pumps. The bad thing about ThredUp is that they don't give you any reason. They looked very good, but barely worn. They wrapped it up, so that means that they wanted to sell it, but they returned to me. Where is the pair? Okay, at least the pair is here. Let's stick together. I don't know why they didn't accept it. It is in excellent condition. I can either send them to the Real or sell them myself. Another item they sent back, which I also don't understand why, are these Escada white jeans. They were in excellent condition. They had no flaws, no stains, nothing like that. I hope they didn't send it back with a stain. But I double checked, triple checked. But I heard they usually don't take white items. It's okay, I can sell them myself. This, I found it at the bins, and it was so lightweight that I decided to pick it up. But it's just some kind of poncho or cover up, I don't know. So it was new with tags. It's just a brand that is sold on Amazon. It's really not worth much at all. Then I sent this J. Crew in just because they usually like J. Crew, but it's an older tag and they sent it back. It's okay. I still have that listed. I will just make the listing live. What is this? Oh, this is an Ann Taylor silk dress, no flaws. I don't know why they didn't take it. I wish they gave us a reason, but it's in very good condition. I bought this at the bins. This is a high-end brand that they also didn't take, also silk. Cos, New York. They did accept this brand. I saw it being sold on their website for a lot of money. It's silk with this nice details here. I also bought this at the bin, so it didn't cost me much. They didn't accept this J. Crew tank. It's fine, I can sell that. Then they didn't accept this bottoms. It's Blanca, is that right? La Blanca swim bottoms. They didn't accept this Bowden dress. That's puzzling. It was in very good condition. It was also a bins find. I can sell that myself, no problem. They didn't accept this Ann Taylor petite wrap dress. I can also sell that, no problem. They did not accept this Lafayette 148 blazer. So how many items is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, they gave me back all of my items. Then they also didn't accept another white piece, which was this Love Linen J. Jill size large. I'm sure I can sell that as well. It's very pretty. So that's it for my thread up rebacks. Those are the items they didn't take and are back for me to sell. Only I think one of those items I'm not gonna list. Stay tuned. In a future video, I'm going to show you, probably in 30 days, I'm going to show you an update on things that I had sold, that I had sent to ThreadUp, to see if it's worth it to send it there. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep sending things there, just because with the new payout structure, I don't think there's much money there to be made unless you are buying high-end at the bins. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye. Are you looking for more reselling content? Check out my other videos.